Salad is not, but you are hot. Welcome to my weekly session of recipes talking about life and fashion. Unusual salad recipe today, and also we're going to talk why I eat 4 times a day. Unexpected flavor mix today in the salad, and I tried it recently and I was like, wow, blown away with the ingredients and the taste. You have to try this. The queen of the salad, palm hearts. They are famous for being a great source of protein, minerals, antioxidants, and potassium. You know, sometimes you just eat something and it's like, taste, how palm hearts taste, right? But as soon as you cut something in different way, so instead of just cut them, I'm gonna slice them very thin this way. So it's gonna be totally different taste, believe me. I tried palm hearts many times. I love it. I love to add it to my salads because I like the taste. But I usually just cut them like this. As soon as it's cut differently, the taste is completely different. So I promise you to tell you why I'm eating 4 times a day. I know it's kind of hard, difficult, and it feels like eating takes all my time, but I prefer this way because what it gives me, it makes me not hungry at all. I do eat small portions. I like to spread my food intake between 4 meals, and not snacking helped me to avoid a lot of sugar, because as soon as I think snack, I never think about salty snack because I'm not a salty person. I always okay, I have to eat something healthy sweet, but it still has sugar. So really just being full and not needing a snack, it's a big difference. Tell me about you. Are you a snack person? Are you salty or sweet snack person? Oh, taking so long. I know, but it's usually how it works. The best things takes time. I have a breakfast in the morning, about 8 a.m. and then I have a second breakfast at about 11 a.m. So my first breakfast is mostly carbs. It's oatmeal, although I add a lot of healthy nutrients to it, like nuts, berries, hemp seed, chia, it's, you name it. And my second breakfast is protein-based breakfast. So the second breakfast always includes a lot of protein. Like, for example, it can be tuna salad, or it can be lentil soup. I love lentil soup. It's so good for your health. Or it can be just boiled eggs sometimes. Fine as well. But it has to be protein. Then my lunch is around 2 o'clock, 2:30. It's also always think about what protein, what salad, veggies, what kind of carbs on the side. My dinner is mostly like my lunch is same, with enough amount of protein, about 7 o'clock. Sometimes I do have snack, but it's usually mostly fruits or nuts or something like that. Okay, we cut our palm hearts, and you would think, what else this crazy lady will put in this salad? And it is a grapefruit. I know it's such an unusual combination, that's why I like it, because you not really see this combination in the salad. So the grapefruit just sprayed on my dress. But okay, it's fine. Okay, you have to make sure you clean it from the skin. Of course you know this, right? Otherwise it's gonna be bitter. But we're gonna clean it. It's not easy. This salad is really not easy to make. But believe me, the result will be really unexpected. Okay. I love grapefruit, by the way. I think it's such a refreshing way to the all citrus family. But I like it when someone clean it for me. Yeah, it's not easy. Usually it happens only in the restaurants, hotels, Maybe I should ask it for my breakfast, birthday breakfast. Can I have like a bunch of cleaned grapefruit? Okay, I think it's enough. I think I made more mess than I cooked, literally. Next goes cherry tomatoes, which is gonna cut them in half. Just making sure it's looking presentable. Of course, avocado. Okay, you see, it's giving a color to our salad. Olive oil, of course, more, better. Like really, really a lot. If you eat in salad with the bread, it's like the best way to eat it. And you can just, dip bread in the leftovers of olive oil. Pepper, salt. Last but not least, a Parmesan cheese. Oof, I love Parmesan cheese. Although I love the true Italian Parmesan cheese, imported. Yes, make cheese is not that good. Oh, look at this. It made in New York. Okay. We'll see. Okay, we're just gonna slice it. By the way, never buy pre-sliced or pre-grated Parmesan cheese. I think it loses its flavor. I think the true Italians always has like this, like the whole piece of Parmesan cheese. They keep it like this because the flavor is the best when it's like freshly grated or sliced. That's very unusual for me. Usually I don't like the combination of fruits in the salad or something like that, but this is really refreshing idea. So good. Delizioso. I think that's how they say it in Italy. Okay, so let me know if you try to make this salad and comment if you like it. And also follow me on Instagram for more recipes and more lifestyle wisdom. I don't know.